DEWALT DWMT82835 Mechanic Toolset Review. Real coverage and fewer garage headaches. Ever stop mid-repair because you don't have the right socket? I once had a half-loosened bolt under the hood and realized my set skipped that size. Dead stop. You freeze, stare at the tool drawer, and waste 10 minutes improvising. If you've ever felt that small but annoying stall during a simple job, you know exactly what I mean. Sound familiar? That frustration builds fast. You feel the pressure stacking up while parts sit exposed and tools scatter across the floor. I tried smaller kits, then added random extras over time. Still missing something. It turns into tool clutter instead of clarity. There has to be a cleaner way to cover most automotive and garage jobs in one organized system. Then everything changed when I found the DEWALT DWMT82835 mechanic tool set. Don't just pick any mechanic tool set. Make sure it has broad SAE and metric coverage across multiple drive sizes, so you never waste time hunting for the one socket you don't own again. The DEWALT DWMT82835 combines 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets with deep and shallow sockets, bit sockets, wrenches, hex keys, and extensions in one organized case. Let me be honest. The first time I opened the case and saw labeled trays and hand-stamped markings, it felt like actual order instead of chaos. The 72-tooth ratchets with a 5-degree arc swing make tight engine bays more manageable, and the direct torque design helps reduce slipping on stubborn fasteners. A friend working late on brake repairs nearly lost momentum searching for a deep metric socket, but it was right there in the tray, and the job kept moving. Relief. It's heavy, yes, but that weight comes from real coverage. Even seasoned DIYers appreciate not building a set piece by piece anymore. After months of steady use, the DEWALT WMT82835 mechanic tool set starts to feel less like a purchase and more like infrastructure. You open the case and trust that the right size is probably there. Reviewers often praise the generous assortment and solid ratchet feel, especially compared to piecing tools together individually. On forums, mechanics mention how the 72-tooth ratchets make a difference in cramped areas under dashboards and around suspension components. Retail summaries highlight the direct torque sockets for better fastener contact, which reduces rounding and frustration. I noticed the same effect when breaking loose older bolts. The grip felt controlled rather than sketchy. Some users point out that the case is bulky and heavy for frequent travel. That is fair. It's not a lightweight roadside kit. But as a garage-based set, the organization and metal latches hold up well. If you think switching means relearning sizes or reorganizing everything, the stamped markings actually simplify that transition. Which matters more to you, compact portability or full coverage? Either way, the confidence of having most tools in one place changes how you approach repairs. The DEWALT DWMT82835 mechanic tool set is about fewer interruptions and more forward progress. Instead of scrambling for missing pieces, you work with clarity and control. Thousands of mechanics and serious DIYers rely on comprehensive sets like this every day, and results may vary depending on workload and experience. If you want broad coverage in one organized case, check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and see if the DEWALT DWMT82835 mechanic tool set fits your garage.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.